Today I plan to explain this question. Could you go over that again? When to use this question? Ask this if you need someone to repeat a lot of information. When someone says something uh, to you, at that time you may not get what that person is telling. That time you may ask by saying like this. Could you go over that again? Could you go over that again? It means so that person going to repeat what he has already said. So he will say it again. If you don't get what that person says, at that time you may ask, and that person is going to repeat that. Example, please give the blue copy to me, sign the yellow copy and put it in the blue drawer. Keep the green copy and sign the pink copy and put it in the green folder. Could you go over that again? So this person didn't get what this lady has said. So he's asking her to repeat that again. So this has lot of information, and he might get confusion with this. Like here, please give the blue copy to me. Like she asking him to give her blue color copy to her, and he has to sign the yellow copy and put it in the drawer. So after signing yellow copy, that he needs to put it in the blue color drawer. Then keep the green copy and sign the pink copy and put it in the green folder after signing green color copy. And together again he will have to put it in green folder with pink copy after signing pink copy and green color together, both together she wanted him to put in the green folder. So this has lot of information for him, so he is asking her to repeat what she has said. So here is the picture of that example, above example. So this person asking her to repeat that again. Could you go over that again? I didn't understand everything you said. So he's telling her he didn't get what she said. So he is asking her to explain, repeat that again to him. And some more examples. Could you go over the instructions again? I didn't understand everything you said. So same thing above what I have explained before. Same question. So next one, A. Then turn left and then right and then. So here it seems someone is giving directions to someone to reach that place, and this person not able to understand how to get that place. His instructions, what he has given to him, is not understand, and he is asking him, sorry, I am not following you. Could you go over the directions again? So it means this person going to explain that directions, how that this person going to reach, how to get that place, so that he will repeat the instructions that what he has told to this person. So when he asks, could you go over the directions again? So he wanted this person to repeat saying that same thing again. So we usually ask when we don't understand what someone tells us. That time we usually question, like, I didn't get, can you repeat that again? This is how we ask with someone when we don't understand what other person is talking. So in that same way we use this sentence, could you go over the instructions again? I hope you understand this question, how to use, when to use and all. Thank you. Bye for now.